For decades, the internet has run on a single silent assumption. Vulnerabilities exist, but they take time to find. Time for companies to patch them, for systems to stay secure. But that assumption is now breaking because AI is not just changing the code, it's changing the speed of the game. Every year, over 25,000 new software flaws are discovered, and until now, finding them require teams of experts, months of coordination, and a bit of luck. But what happens when that progress is no longer human? When machines can scan the entire internet, map its weaknesses, and act instantly. That is exactly what Anthropic has built. Welcome to Perspectives. I'm Arushi Mishra, and today we're looking at AI models designed not just to write code but to interrogate it. Viewers, these systems can read entire repositories and simulate system behavior to find 0 days. These are hidden weaknesses that have lived quietly in software for years, undetected until now. In controlled tests, AI just didn't find these bugs, it suggested exactly how to exploit them. This is a structural shift. Cybersecurity has always been a race between attackers and defenders, but both sides were limited by human talent and human hours. AI removes those limits. Now, what once took researchers months now takes minutes. AI just doesn't find one flaw, it chains multiple vulnerabilities together to simulate a full-scale breach before a human even sees the first red flag. Now, the window of the exposure, the time we have to fix a leak, is effectively disappearing, and the stakes, they are massive. India alone has over 900 million internet users. Our digital spine, from UPI payments to healthcare, is now a target that can be probed at machine speed. Globally, we are looking at a $10 trillion annual threat, and that is a huge number, viewers. But this isn't just a tech story, it's a power story. Now, these super detective AIs aren't open source, they are controlled by a few. Anthropic, OpenAI, Google DeepMind. And for a country like India, this raises a hard question. Now, in a world where AI secures the perimeter, do you build your own, or do you depend on a security layer controlled by somebody else? Now, if the intelligence is external, then so is your sovereignty. And the bottom line is that the internet was built on code. Now it's being reshaped by intelligence. When every flaw can be found instantly, security here is no longer about building a strong wall. It's about being faster than the machine that is trying to break it. The power is shifting from those who build the internet to those who can see right through it. That is all the time we have on this episode of Perspectives. Keep watching the mainstream for more news and updates. I am Arushi Mishra.